YouTube. My name's Anthony, and I'm demonstrating here how this Stihl MS261C is one of the best chainsaws ever made. So I'm in the city of Toronto, and I get a lot of big trees, as you can see, and I need something that's big and it can cut like that, but sometimes I get a lot of smaller diameter too. So I wanted something that could do both just as well. So this chainsaw here is a replacement of my last one, and I sold it for half the price of what I bought it for when it was brand new. And that chainsaw lasted me about 7 years, and I've had this one for about a little over 4 years now. And I'm really happy with this saw. It's very versatile, and the number one thing about this saw is the power to weight ratio. It's super high power and very lightweight. And as you can see, I've ripped through all this red oak extremely well, with a nice sharpening on it. It was a used chain, and I was really impressed with the way it was cutting. That's probably the best time I've ever sharpened a chainsaw. I actually used this for a big yard cleanup job, so all the brush on the ground, I didn't do any climbing or anything like that. I did get up on the ladder and I cut some branches, but I had to cut a lot of bushes as well. And obviously this is not like a hedge trimmer, but this was no problem cutting all that down, and I did really well with it. Like I said, it's a very lightweight chainsaw. Even it feels a little heavy in your hand now, but it doesn't feel too bulky, especially like some of the other saws, you know, and I never get tired of handling the saw. That's number one. And another good thing about this that I've noticed over the years is when people talk about the danger of the chainsaw bucking, I've never had this chain buck very far at all. It's just bucked and kind of stayed where it is because I can hold it with my own weight. It's never come up on me, ever. So if you guys want to get a nice chainsaw that's going to do everything for you, and you don't have to go overkill, and you don't have to go with a big high price chainsaw, this is it. I mean, this was $825 Canadian, and that's probably about maybe it's about $650 US. I don't have all kinds of power tools, but out of everything that I've ever bought, this is the best thing I've ever bought. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that good stuff.